Okay, what's up guys? Today we got a quick brick repair. I got my ladder set up, I got my mortar mix all mixed up, and got my bricks over there. I'm all ready to go, so let's walk over there and check it out. Should be a quick in and out. I've been here a couple minutes already, but this is going to be a quick little $300 job, and we'll see how long it takes. All right, let's walk over there. Alright, here's my ladder set up. Got these little stakes in the ground to hold it up. It's kind of a sideways,
camera recording.
A little sketchy setup. I'm gonna set this camera up and then I'm gonna go back down and get my bricks, my mortar. But this is what we're repairing. And just got these little half bricks. As you can see, we're missing a few, and there's a big gap where the birds and the rodents and things have been chewing it up. So, all right, let's get to fixing it. I got my grout bag, cut the end a little, make it a little bit of a bigger hole, and get to grouting. Alright, so we just got to let this set up a little bit, and then I'm going to knock it down with this brush. Alright folks, that's it for today. That's the brick repair. Pretty simple little brick repair job, and it's also going to get painted, so the brick not being a perfect match is okay. And as you can see, they got these, everything's kind of wonky, so mine will blend right in as soon as they're painted. And yeah, that's it. Hey, make sure you guys like, make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell, and leave your comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. This is how I do it. Let me know how you do it, and we'll talk to you soon.